Hey guys,
Hey.
welcome to another video. Tyler is right out there, but we want to try and pull off a prank. Tyler is literally the hardest person to prank, so we are going to try and have my sister faint. Or so anyone out there that has like any sickness or faint spell or seizure, this is not a video to like make fun of you. We're just like trying to like prank. So yes, this is just like a mini prank video. No harm was done to anyone, but we're trying to see if we can finally catch him this time. So let's go.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck.
Hey.
Please don't break the stuff. We are do. What kind of TikTok you do? Please don't break the stuff.
Okay.
Jesus. Obviously, the first one was a failure. So take two. Let's try again.
TikTok.
She's what's up? Which TikTok? Want me to use it here?
No. Every time I delete, it's coming out over here.
I see.
You never yet see challenge.
Saba.
Saba.
Michelle. Yeah, that scratch at her?
Oh, no. But me never lick it either way, but you not scratch me. Saba, yeah.
Do you see your mom's message? Michelle. No. moment we decided to switch faint victim because the first one was laughing too much every time she falls. So let's see how this one goes.
Chanel? Chanel? Chanel, you alright? Tyler! Chanel? 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 Chanel?
You saying Chanel since I started getting milk. When I come down, I just see you kicking her.
Go give me a hug.
You gotta be better than that.
We were trying.
I just kept hearing her say Chanel, Chanel, Chanel.
We were trying. But the thing is that she was supposed to be the one that fainted because it would be more believable. But she keeps laughing. So every time you see me go in the room and laughing, it was because she was supposed to faint.
Good try. Oh, not really.
Were you like surprised or anything?
No, I knew it was happening.
I started to come down, I was like laughing.